Hi everyone, my name is Rosie Garza Lopez. I am a sixth grade English teacher at Spring Branch ISD. I teach at Memorial Middle School. I'm actually an alumni from the University of Houston, so go Cougs. I got my bachelor's in English with a teaching certificate for 7 through 12, and then I also recertified later for 4 through 8 and then ESL, and I've also done my GT hours, but I'm not certified in GT. That's not the same thing. So pretty well going with all those certificates. But I just finished my first year of teaching. It was really difficult. I had a lot of difficulties that I didn't even imagine having, and I've learned a lot. So I actually kind of wanted to continue that, and that's why I'm coming back to do my graduate degree. This is my first semester of grad school, so I'm hoping I can tough it out and really give this one a go and finish out this degree. I'd like for at the end of this degree to kind of work as a master reading teacher for a while, just even regular LA teacher with a little more of an understanding of what a reading teacher needs, or what it means to have like a deeper engaging content with my students. After that, I'd probably like to move to something along curriculum instruction. Like I would like to work with my district or with my school to enhance vertical alignment, or coach my peers, something along those lines. And then endgame, I would really, really, really like to teach at the university level one day. I would love to be a professor, and if I get to it, I would love to be a doctor, because Dr. Garza Lopez sounds amazing. So I'd like to do that one day. Um, Other than going back to school as my goal, I guess I have a couple of New Year's resolutions because we just got through the New Year's. My first New Year's resolution was to read over 52 books, which is more than one a week. And when I was in undergrad, that was really easy because I read so much. And I read a lot of picture books. But now that I'm teaching, and it's my first year teaching, I just finished, it was really difficult to actually read this last year, and I was really upset about it. So I set a goal of more than 52. I'm at book number 2. But to be fair, book number 2 is about as big as the Bible, so I'm really proud of this accomplishment. And then other than that, other than reading on a regular basis, I am also pretty obsessed with traveling. So this year will be the first year that I've ever gone to all 3 countries of North America. I mean, obviously I'm already in the United States of America, but this year I'll be traveling to both Canada and Mexico within 1 year, which I'm really excited about. So that's it. That's me. And I hope I get to know you all a lot better this semester. Thanks.